In this tutorial, we'll learn how to make a screen automatically advance after a time limit, and how to show the participant a countdown to the time running out. First, let's preview the task and see this in action. Each trial has a time limit of 5 seconds. For the last 3 seconds, a countdown displays. If the participant clicks the correct response before the time runs out, they get correct feedback. If the participant doesn't answer before the time runs out, they get incorrect feedback and the task moves automatically to the next trial. To see how this has been set up, let's take a look at the trial display. First, let's look at the Screen tab. This is where we add our time limit component. In the time limit field, enter a time in milliseconds. Here we enter 5000 because we want the screen to advance after 5 seconds. To mark a timeout as correct or incorrect, toggle on Treat as Response. In the response field below, fill in the response you want Gorilla to record when the participant does not click any button before the time runs out. The Scorer component below tells Gorilla that the correct answer is in the spreadsheet column Answer. The timeout response will not match this value, meaning that a timeout will be scored as incorrect. You can also use the spreadsheet to specify that on some trials, a timeout response is correct. This is useful for implementing go, no-go tasks. To see how the countdown is set up, let's go back to the Objects tab. The Timer object contains a countdown component. This component automatically links with the time limit component on this screen to show the remaining time to the participant. In the Show Partial Time Remaining field, we have entered 3000 because we only want to show the countdown for the last 3 seconds. Leave this field blank if you want to show the countdown from the start of the screen.